US President Donald Trump binanatan si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa unang pulong kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Report mula kay Rajuman Chanel Salazar.
Hindi napigilang banatan ni US President Donald Trump si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa pulong nila ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. sa White House. Sa joint press conference ng dalawang Pangulo, sinabi ni Trump na hindi naging maganda ang pakikitungo ng nakaraang administrasyon sa Amerika na tila mas pumabor sa China. Giit ni Trump, tila hindi nito alam ang ginagawa nila pagdating sa foreign policy. Ayon pa kay Trump, wala namang masama kung gusto ng Pilipinas na makipag-ugnayan sa China, pero mahalaga raw ang alyansa ng bansa sa Amerika.
We're going to be talking about trade, we're going to be talking about war and peace. They're a very important nation militarily, and we've had some great drills lately. We're back with them. I think I can say that the last administration was not getting along with them too well. They didn't get along with anybody. They didn't know. Honestly, they didn't know what they were doing.
Tahimik namang ngumiti si Pangulong Marcos sa pahayag ng US President. Matatandang noong panahon ni dating Pangulong Duterte, tila lumayo ang Pilipinas sa Amerika at mas pinaboran ng China, bagay na kwinestyon ni US President Trump. Mula dito sa White House, Washington DC, USA, Rajuman Chanel Salazar, Tatak, RMN.